Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best vacuums for high pile carpet that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 4 is the Bissell 2252 CleanView Swivel Upright Bagless Vacuum. This vacuum is a fantastic budget option for high pile carpets, offering features like swivel steering for easy maneuverability and a triple-action brush roll that lifts and removes embedded pet hair efficiently. With its scatter-free technology, it's also great for cleaning up pet-related messes on hard surfaces. In terms of design, the Bissell 2252 is lightweight and compact, making it easy to store and carry around your home. Its large-capacity dirt tank is easy to empty, and the included pet tools, like the corner tool and pet turbo eraser tool, add to its versatility. However, the vacuum doesn't feature a HEPA filter, so if allergens are a concern, you may want to consider other options. This vacuum is perfect for pet owners and anyone on a budget looking for reliable performance on high-pile carpets. While it doesn't have the premium features of higher-end models, it delivers excellent value for its price. Pros include its affordability, pet-friendly design, and ease of use. Cons include its lack of advanced filtration and a slightly louder noise level during operation. In the runner-up spot at number 2 is the Shark NV352 Navigator Lift-Away Upright Vacuum. This vacuum is a versatile powerhouse, featuring lift-away functionality that lets you detach the canister for above-floor cleaning. It's equipped with a HEPA filter and anti-allergen complete seal technology, making it an excellent choice for allergy sufferers. The design is compact, yet sturdy, with swivel steering for easy navigation around furniture and tight spaces. The NV352 also includes a brush roll shutoff feature, allowing you to switch seamlessly between deep carpet cleaning and gentle bare floor cleaning. With its wide upholstery tool and crevice tool, it's also great for tackling pet hair and hard-to-reach areas. This vacuum excels in performance and versatility, especially for households with both carpets and hard floors. While it's not the lightest option at 12.5 pounds, its powerful suction and allergen control features make it a strong contender. Pros include its HEPA filter, lift-away functionality, and excellent suction power. Cons are its slightly smaller dirt capacity and lack of LED headlights. Finally, at number 1, we have the Shark NV501 Rotator Professional Lift-Away Upright Vacuum. This premium vacuum is packed with features, including lift-away functionality for versatile cleaning, a HEPA filter with anti-allergen complete seal technology, and advanced swivel steering for effortless maneuverability. The addition of LED headlights ensures no dirt or pet hair goes unnoticed. The build quality is exceptional, with a sleek white and red color scheme and sturdy construction. The vacuum includes a wide upholstery tool, dusting brush, and crevice tool, making it ideal for tackling everything from high-pile carpets to delicate surfaces like curtains and lampshades. Despite its 15.5-pound weight, the vacuum feels balanced and easy to handle. This vacuum is perfect for those who want top-tier performance and advanced features. It's particularly well-suited for allergy sufferers and pet owners. While it's the most expensive option on this list, its premium build and superior cleaning capabilities make it worth the investment. Pros include its HEPA filter, LED headlights, and advanced maneuverability. Cons are its higher price point and slightly heavier design. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible.